In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. I saw in the comments that many of you struggle to add already existing photos to text message. So today I will show you all the ways to add a photo to SMS. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. And to take a pic, manage all of those options and tap on the shutter. Then you can send it right away. To add any taken photos, you can scroll, click on all and hit done at the bottom right corner to access this button and send them to. But if you can't see any of your photos from gallery, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to add them. After tapping on the same icon again, you need to scroll all the way down and hit Folders located at the bottom left corner. Now you need to pick all of your photos you wish to attach and tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Then hit Done also at the bottom right corner and finally send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!